Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones REALME Buds T110. You have to start by opening REALME application. Now click on button settings and let's go working with the left one. So for the left one, for the double tap for the left one earbud, I prefer to awake voice assistant, so I click on it. For the triple tap, I prefer to play previous track, so I choose it. And actually I like what I have on the right one, but you can change it if you want to. You have a lot of options here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!